Are you trying to squeeze every single frame out of a low-end gaming PC, or simply tired of Microsoft's background bloatware slowing down your system? Today, we are testing a highly requested custom operating system, Windows 10 Ultralight Gamer. Built by developer Phrankie from the TeamOS community. Let's see if this ultra-debloated build can truly revive your PC's gaming performance. We are kicking things off by booting straight into the installer. I am speeding up the installation process here so you can see exactly how it behaves from start to finish. Developer Phrankie heavily stripped down this 19-0-40-5 build to ensure completely hands-off, automated setup that installs incredibly fast, even on older mechanical hard drives or entry-level solid-state drives. Let's let it finish copying the core system files, and I will meet you right on the freshly booted desktop. And here we are, booted directly onto the desktop. First impressions. This looks incredibly clean and lightweight. Let's immediately pull up Task Manager, navigate to the Performance tab, and look at the real numbers. Look at that, on a completely fresh boot. Windows 10 Ultralight Gamer is idling at an absolute bare minimum, consuming well under 1 GB of RAM. The process count has been slashed to the bone, leaving almost 100% of your hardware resources completely free for your games. Because this build is specifically optimized for gamers, developer Phrankie completely removed Windows Defender, aggressive telemetry tracking, forced system updates, and useless pre-installed store apps. What you get instead is a highly responsive, low-latency kernel, navigating through File Explorer, opening menus, and launching web browsers feels completely instantaneous. If you are running an older laptop or a budget gaming rig, this lack of background activity is exactly what stops frame drops and micro-stutters during heavy gaming sessions. Final verdict. If you want an absolute bare-bones operating system purely dedicated to getting maximum frames per second, Windows 10 Ultralight Gamer is a phenomenal choice. You can find the official TeamOS thread link pinned in the description below. If this review helped you find the next OS for your setup, make sure to drop a like on the video and subscribe to Tech for Boost for more unbloated hardware optimization guides. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.